but how is all this going to be impacting our Indian markets? What are the important cues to watch out for? We have a team of research joining in with us to set you up for trade, tell you which are the important stocks to watch out for, as well as the action in the world of F&O. Hormaz, good morning. And today seems like we're expecting a better morning coming in for the Indian markets. What are the important cues?
Morning, Vinny, and of course the markets also would be looking to cheer RCB's win right last night. But of course a similar template is being followed for the last couple of weeks now on the index, so defending that 24,500 mark on the downside. But the only difference in yesterday's session was the fact that unlike the previous sessions where there was a recovery from the lows, we've ended close to the lows of the day in yesterday's trading session. So that does not bode well. The principal contributor to the recovery, which was the Nifty Bank, that was an underperformer yesterday. Made a record high earlier in the day, but then ended 600 points off the highs, ending 300 points lower, and that dragged the index down with it as well. So now, and also the broader markets as well, right? Even they were the ones that were outperforming, and even there was no support coming in from the broader markets as well. But of course, a couple of things that can change sentiments today. The first one being the fact that the handover from Wall Street is a positive one. The US markets did well yesterday. The other one being the fact that HDFC Bank's unit, HDB Financial, has received approval for its IPO. So HDFC Bank, a positive reaction there could have a cascading effect on both the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. And of course, today the 3-day MPC meeting of the Reserve Bank of India begins today. Of course, the rate cut is almost a certainty, but the quantum and the future trajectory is now the topic of debate. It's a day of multiple block deals. Ria will of course talk more about those. 4 stocks in block deals today, so keep an eye out on that. And yesterday's low of 24,502 being the key one, and the 22nd May low of 24,462 is the key for the Nifty. But for now, the GIFT Nifty is indicating a start in the green for our own markets.
Well, thank you so much for that, Hormaz. The market surely cheering on RCB. But now over to Ria, who will list out the stocks to watch for in today's trading session. Good morning, Ria.
Good morning. Let's take a look at the stocks to watch out for today. First up, we have 5 names in focus on the back of block deals. The first one is Alchem Labs. Now, sources say that Jayanti Sinha is set to offload a 1.42% stake in Alchem Labs via a block deal today, and the transaction is valued at approximately rupees 825 crores. We've also got Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail. Sources say that Flipkart is set to sell its entire 6% stake in the company at a floor price of rupees 80 per share, which is a 7% discount to the current market price. Coming to Indigen, Carlyle is likely to sell a 10.2% stake in the company via block deals, valued approximately at rupees 1,420 crores. There's also Tata Technologies. Sources say that TPG Rise is likely to sell a 2.1% stake in the company via a block deal, and the total size is valued at rupees 634 crores. The last one is Ola Electric. A block deal has taken place on this front. Kia Corporation has sold 2.7 crore shares, and Hyundai Motors has also sold 10.8 crore shares in Ola Electric. Coming to 3 stocks in focus today on the back of order wins. The first one is Techno Electric. They've been selected by RailTel as the managed service partner for a 10 megawatt data center project in Noida. Servotech will be in focus. They've secured a 7.8 megawatt grid connected solar rooftop project from Northwest Frontier Railway. And Wipro has won a multi-year deal from Entrust to drive growth through scalable AI powered tech services. So keep your eye on all of these stocks today.
Okay, Ria, thank you so much for that. But let's move on. And finally, we have Sudarshan also, who's here to tell us what's going to be happening in the world of F&O. Sudarshan, yesterday also a whole host of block deals. Today also we have those block deals coming in. Couple of names in the F&O space as well. So what are the important cues here today?
Good morning, Vinny. So unlike last few sessions, yesterday we did not see intraday recovery, and at the end, it was a close in the red for all the major indices. But good part is Nifty has managed to hold on to levels about 24,500, which is a key support. And for today, following the positive global cues, GIFT Nifty is indicating a start with minor gains. And as far as flows are concerned, FIs remain on the sell side. Yesterday also in the cash market, FIs have sold more than rupees 2,800 crore, but it was fully offset by DIs, which have bought more than rupees 5,900 crore. Even in the index futures too, FIs have sold more than rupees 2,500 crore, and they have reduced long positions by nearly 900 contracts. And at the same time, they have added short positions of more than 13,000 contracts. And with this FI long exposure now reduced to less than 17%, which is lowest in last 2 months. On the option front, 24,600 call and 24,700 calls were active ones, where we have seen addition in the range of 34 to 55 lakh shares. And on the put side, 24,500 put has shed 13 lakh shares, while 24,300 put has added more than 12 lakh shares. So it tells you if Nifty breaches 24,500. Next support comes around 24,300. So for now, support is seen somewhere around 24,500 and resistance remains around 24,900. One stock that remains in the band is Manappuram Finance.
Well, thank you so much for that, Sudarshan.